Hello, good morning, good morning. Have a blessed Saturday, everyone. Advance Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day na pala. In few hours, di ba? It's Sunday. Sunday there. In few hours, so pwede na magbati. Umuulan po. Oh, makulimlim na panahon lang araw. Umuulan. Inaano niya yung mga halaman. Mga what is this? Plant. Watering the plant is growing. Growing, yeah. You need the flower, you need the water. They need the water, the grass, the trees, plant. Opo. Maulan at wet na Saturday. Alright. We're still walking. As you can see, non-stop mama. Walk. Walk. Yes, share video guys. Yes, share video. Maulan eh. Walang magandang ano. Going to work. As usual. Happy Mother's Day everyone. Enjoy. Mga mothers. To all mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mothers. To all mothers. To all singles and triple. Happy Mother's Day. Ayun na, they're growing. Look greenish. Ang ganda tignan. Ang ganda tignan guys, greenish. Sawa na kami sa mga snow. Greenish naman tayo. We have to walk here. How many steps is this? Eric's 90 step. Oh look, it's greenish. Greenish view. Wala na mga flower. Wala. Pako over there. Look. Pako. Ayan. Pako. It's growing the pako. Ang ganda tignan. Ayan o pako. Let's go, continue. Wet na panahon. Woohoo! Pinawisan na naman tayo guys. 30 minutes walking. Good job. Good in the morning. Feeling good. Feeling fresh. Wow. You build muscles. Good for the heart. Alright. Woo. Thank you for watching. A blessed wet day. Ang tulip. Oh, sisimula pa lang oh. Na-deny na. Kasi na umulan. Oh, napending. Kawawa. Kasi pag umulan guys, wala na ang beauty. Nag-grow naman sila kaso mas okay sana pag maaraw. Ayan oh. Napending. Hello bird. Ano yon? Chicken? Parang chicken. Chick. Ayan mga garden. Wala na ito. Pabuka pa lang. Alright. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yun lang po. Habang naglalakad. Salamat. Bye-bye. Hi bird.